Hello YouTubers, thank you for coming to this Auto Tune channel. We have a 2012 Nissan Rogue. The transmission was replaced and we are going to be programming it. So I'm using the Console 3 Plus software and also the Console 3 Plus interface. So we connect to the vehicle and pull out the VIN. Okay, the vehicle information which will confirm. So all the data for the models on the vehicle are showing up, and these are the current codes that are showing. So we erase the codes, and once we're done with the erasing, we go to the transmission model. And here we are. We're going to look up the transmission information, and this is the number that we have. So we go to the Nissan Tech Info to see if there's an available calibration file available so that we can purchase it and run the update. But if there's none available, then we would have to do it manually. So let's run, or let's put in the code and see if there's any calibration file for it. So we put the files, the first 5 numbers, and once we're done with that, we go for the second alphanumerical. We put that. Okay, and once that is true, let's see, nothing is coming up for the calibrations. So that means we'll be doing this manually. At this point, we'll go and then take a look at the calibration data that is already stored in the TCM, and this is the old one. So we'll be clearing this out of the TCM and allow it to recalibrate itself and then pick up the new values that will be in the valve body of the replaced transmission. So in order to do this, we head back to the self-diagnosis results. So there's no DTC here, but what we will do is stepping on the acceleration all the way to the bottom, we put the shift or the shifter to reverse, and this one is, the vehicle is on without the engine running. Then we'll go to erase and then hit on that, then execute, and this is all done, and that is that for the recalibration. So now what we'll do is we'll go to back to the calibration data, and that is here. So let's see what the values are. We can see it's 0000. So that means the calibration, that the old calibration has been cleared off from the TCM. So we'll turn the vehicle off and then turn it back on to let it sync, and then pick up the new calibration that is in the valve body of the replaced transmission. So without turning the vehicle off, if I go to check on the DTCs, it's telling me the data is incomplete, the data writing is incomplete. So that means I would have to turn off the vehicle and then turn it back on. So I quickly erase that, and I've turned the vehicle off from here. So after turning the vehicle off and back to on, we go to the calibration data, and this is the new value from the valve body inside the replaced transmission. So with these new values, the calibration is complete and we are done with what we are supposed to do here. So I hope this video is helpful, especially when you replace a transmission on a Nissan and there's no calibration file. This is how to go about reprogramming either the valve body or the TCM of any Nissan vehicle. Well, I hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching, and have a blessed week.